Hello everyone, I am Shivang Singh, currently here working as a technical engineer in Semco Infratech Private Limited. Today I am going to make demonstrate video regarding this CCD Polarity machine, which stands for Charge Coupled Device Machine. Now comes with the hardware part of this machine. This machine is equipped with the internal CPU, and this machine communication with the PLC for the operation and all the communications. This machine also comes with the Wi-Fi module to use the internet in this machine. Now comes with the software operation of this machine. This is our software UVision. We just need to open this software. It will take some time to open. Now we just need to select the language like English and go to the file and select the file and select any file which we have program or which we want to do the program, and go to the camera and open the camera. Here we can see that this is the real-time picture. Now we just need to open the PLC and click on the open. Now here we can see that the PLC is now communicated with our machine. This LED is blinking in green. Now you just need to move to snap, and here we can see that our battery pack is going to on that sensor, and this camera will detect. Now here in the software you can also see this operation. At here you can see that at this sensor our battery pack has been stopped. Now just we need to acquire continue, and from here just need to select. From here local we just need to adjust. We need to make this program. From here just need to do this from here and just create new template and go to the result and test. Now we need to just save it. I have already created the program, that's why I am not creating this another program. I am just showing how we are creating this program. And then after we just go to this polarity and click on the adjust. Here we can see that this X-ray image of our battery pack. Here we just need to select the positive and negative terminals from here, and from here we just create the ROI of the plus and negative terminals of the battery, and here we just need to put the number of row and column of our battery packs. And here we are testing this, and just we need to save it. And now let's see its real-time operation. Now we will run this. We just need to press this forward symbol. Now test is ongoing. The battery pack will go to that sensor and camera will detect. This is the standard image. Now here you can see that this is same as per program. Now so that this is pass, and the battery pack will go to that sensor and that will be stopped. So we need to take this manually. If you want to retest, then we just need to put this battery pack in here, and we just from these buttons here we can operate the machine manually. This button is for the start and this for reset, and this is for emergency. Like this, when I will press this button like this, and the battery pack again going to the start for the testing. Here we will stop, and here we can see that after the testing of the battery pack, it find that it's perfectly okay and pass the battery pack. So this was all about this CCD Polarity machine. You can visit our head office for live demo of this machine as well as other machines at Semco Infratech Private Limited. Thank you for watching our videos.